I've been so looking forward to going out and seeing this movie with you.
I know, I've missed you. I haven't seen much of you since you had your baby.
Yes, the last 3 months have been a whirlwind since I had my beautiful baby boy. Lots of sleepless nights, that's for sure.
3 months, and you can already wear all of your pre-pregnancy clothes again. Not fair. It took me over a year before I could do that after Channing was born.
I was lucky that I went online and found a super easy way to lose weight. At calorieconfusion.com.
Calorieconfusion.com.
Yes, calorieconfusion.com is a website that gives you all the details of how to lose weight fast while still eating your favorite foods.
Well, it obviously works. You look great. When I get home tonight, I will go online and check out calorieconfusion.com. I still have another 10 pounds I want to lose.